So now we're going to look at three-point turn. A three-point turn is simply a U-turn that doesn't make it. So in this street, we're clearly not going to better do a U-turn all the way around because it's too narrow. So what we're going to have to do is, from a stationary position at the side, we'll stop, we'll move off, head towards the other side of the street, then reverse back, and then come around in the classic three-point turn to come back this way. Another way of describing it is turning around in the road requiring reversing. So we're going to head off down the road, pick a spot, and then do a three-point turn. All right, so I'm going to pick a spot, good distance from behind and in front, clear both sides, and somewhere I'm allowed to stop, and that there's no solid line up the middle of the street. Cool. So I've stopped at the side, all good. I'm getting myself over so I've got plenty of room, and by stopping at the side I'm going to let anybody clear in the road. So the road's nice and clear, signaling to the right, let people know what I'm going to do, looking, checking, blind spot check, ease off the brakes a tiny bit, the car's moving slightly, I'm steering full lock. Now I can come off all the way, even use a tiny bit of accelerator. Then I'm braking again, getting the car under control with the brakes, creeping towards the curb, steering very quickly and stopping. Looking, checking, all around, including out the back corner, because that's where I'm likely to back into somebody. Look around continually, braking now, the front has started to point to the right. That's enough, I've come back far enough, creeping a tiny bit with my brakes, steering fully to the right now, selecting, drive, looking around and going. Unwinding as I go to keep the car over here and head off down the road neatly. And that was three-point turn.